can deter our resolve to stand with the oppressed Nigerians in their day-to-day struggles against oppression. We will continue to join them in the struggles for improved wage, free, fair, free, open, affordable, 24/7 electricity. We are going to be defending our people against crazy and estimated bills. We are going to be demanding and be standing with our people to demand for free education at all levels, affordable housing, free, functional basic health care, not only basic health care, both basic and secondary health care, and even tertiary health care, because Nigeria have enough money to fund all of this. We are going to be asking for good schools at every part of the country. We have a recent report that in Rivers State, and even in Lagos here, there are a lot of schools where we have just 1 or 2 teachers. And these states are, the Rivers State and Lagos State are two of the richest states in the country. We will stand by the Nigerian poor masses in fighting for a country that works for them and not for a privileged few. We have a recent report that only 5 people in Nigeria have enough finance to bring the whole of Nigeria out of poverty. And in fact, we can be getting cost of living allowance with the kind of money they have. You all know all of these persons. You have Aliko Dangote, Folorunsho Alakija, Femi Otedola, Abdulsamad Rabiu. The money these people have is enough, you get it, to fund all of our wealth. Nothing can deter us from joining and leading Nigerians in the independent revolution to reclaim and take back our country. We want to finally tell the expelled Leonard Ezenwa, somebody we have expelled from our party, that they want to impose on us, that he should keep his leadership to those bulletproof cars that they have bought for him and the money from the rivers of blood. In Lagos State especially, and in most of the states branches of the African Action Congress, we declare Leonard Ezenwa and his cohorts persona non grata, which means that he must not be found in any of our secretariats, in any of our activities and our programs. We urge all Take It Backers and all members of the African Action Congress to keep very strong. We also want to tell our ruling class in the broom and umbrella parties and all other parties that nothing can stop our party from rising. It is a party of the working people. It is a party of the over 100 million Nigerians that are living below poverty line, as evidence in all statistics, whether international or local. We want to urge the ruling class that Nigerians are with us and are watching all the attempts to kill our party, and that there's nothing that will stop us from taking our party back and even Nigeria back from the bloody gluttony of the Nigerian ruling class. In a battle between the powerless conscience and the conscienceless powers, these powerful people will first laugh. But we, the oppressed people, the people with conscience but without power, will be the ones to laugh last. And so we declare that nothing can stop an idea whose time has come. AAC!
Take it back!
AAC!
Take it back!
AAC!
Take it back!
Take it back!
Action!
Take it back!
Action!
Take it back!
Action!
Action! Action! Action! Action! Social revolution! foremost the Cross River State Chairman to give us solidarity message.
Solidarity from the riverside.
Solidarity from the riverside. AAC! AAC! Take it back! Action! Let the message be clear and loud.
Yes.
AAC was not formed. We formed AAC. I choose my leaders. I'm a very difficult person to lead, and the party in Cross River State, we are difficult to lead. We know who our leader is. I don't want to speak any big grammar here. We are not on television. We are not in the newspaper. Anybody here that knows Leonard Ezenwa, wherever he is, should go and tell him that some of us came to APC because we believe in Omoyele AAC. Sorry. AAC, I'm so sorry about that. AAC because we believe in Omoyele Sowore. He's our national chairman, and he's the reason why myself and every other member of the party is in AAC in Cross River State. Leonard Ezenwa can go and form his own party. He cannot lead us in Cross River State. We know our leaders. We know our leaders. I can say that 10 times. 100 times. I can say that 1,000,000 times. I know my leader. My leader is Omoyele Sowore. I don't know who Leonard Ezenwa is. I don't know him. I met him for the first and the last time on this street when AAC did a program at one hotel with Femi Falana. That is the first time and the last I ever saw him. And I don't know what that man is going to do to make me follow him. He does not have the capacity. I saw him yesterday talking on television. I need to be very petty a little bit. And when he was talking, I was watching him, and even his language was very, very incoherent. In AAC, we are very intelligent.
Yes.
We may not be driving Hummer Jeeps. We may not be driving armored vehicles. We may not be carrying police. I'm the state chairman in Cross River State. I don't have a policeman following me. But you know what? We are very, very intelligent.
Action! No going back.
Since 1999, there has never been opposition in Cross River State. PDP since 1999. This is the only time our state governor is having opposition in Cross River State.
Yes.
And as I'm talking with you now, they have contacted Leonard, and they went and brought one small boy. The boy is already calling himself state chairman, and I've been laughing. You know why I'm laughing?
Yes, sir.
Wakeresi number one.
Wakeresi number one. Wakeresi number one. Wakeresi number one.
Wakeresi number one. Wakeresi number one. Wakeresi number one. Wakeresi number one. They're not rich, they're not fit, they're not born them well. We are rugged. We are rugged. We will remain rugged. We are not in the mood to speak English with PDP and APC. We simply want to take our country back. With our beret, with our feet, with our common cars and our common things, we will take Nigeria back from the house. And whoever knows Leonard, I know they are here. When they heard that AAC is doing a project, they came here. They are all here. Please go and tell Leonard. None of them should come near Cross River State. We have taken charge. We are there. Do we have anybody from Cross River in this place?
Yes.
Yes.
Who is in Cross River here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see somebody here, and ironically, it's from Obudu, where I come from. Do you people know Obudukadu Ranch? You know Obudukadu Ranch? How many of you have been to the ranch before?
Yeah,
That is the tallest. Oh no, it's not the second tallest height in Nigeria. That's my village. We live on the mountains, and I have my brother here. Where you know? Where you kuna? Hey Zimaya! Hey Zimaya! Hey Zimaya! We are saying that in Cross River State we do not know Leonard. Leonard should not come anywhere near Cross River State. The leader that we have in AAC is Omoyele Sowore. I was in Magodo, the last convention, and Sowore was the person we elected as our national chairman. Anybody, anywhere, like I said, I don't know if I see his face tomorrow, I will not recognize him.
I know your man. From Kwara. Where? So much, so I know how they make their own conspiracy theory. I know it's over. And since last year it was this morning to fight. I tell them that no, you cannot fight me because Omoyele Sowore is my leader, and he is is the only person I know, even in Kwara State. So you can tell Leonard, tell Arison, tell Andy, tell Francis, tell Eniola, tell Ify, whosoever they have. We never know them. We fought for AAC. He is my our treasurer. When we register our party in August, we're going up and down, including Leonard. You can know Leonard, I knew him as a fraudster. Let me tell you the reality. I knew him. The first day we went to Abuja, they gave him money to lodge us in hotels. Leonard took the money, put it inside the pocket. We spent nights in Abuja. He took us to one office, maybe he's a friend or he's a family friend office. We slept there, and I told him, I said, Leonard, they gave you money to lodge us in hotel, but you took the money. Yes, of course, you took the money, and did not even give us anything, not even refreshments, nothing. Then I told him personally, I said, see, I can never sleep.
Well, he started telling us many stories that they not give us money. And Leonard, let me tell you his game. He will call you and will tell you that, oh, you see Malcolm? I will tell you that, you see Malcolm? Hey, Malcolm has been giving me problem, and you people did not even see what is happening. Malcolm did not give me money. So when I call him, he did not even pick my call. You go call another state chairman again. Tell him, you see, this is what Malcolm is doing. This is what Shore is doing. I'm even fed up. I can't even think again. I cannot do anything again. So the state chairman will be looking Malcolm and Omoleyele Shore as somebody that they are not serious or they are sabotaging our efforts. So we look as if maybe Shore, Malcolm are the one that did not give us freedom. We do not even know that it's Leonard that is playing his Aki-Paki games. So after we realize that, oh, this is what Leonard is doing, then we step back and we say, sir, we want to hold a meeting in Abuja. We want you to be here. If Malcolm is not around, if Shore is around, we want him to be there. Then we call for a meeting in Abuja. Around somewhere, maybe January, right? Then we call for a meeting. Do you believe that Leonard did not come for the meeting? Leonard is a secretary of AAC. I never knew maybe in any association. I only knew of a chairman and the treasurer and the fixed the signatory to what is it called? Account. Then Leonard, we didn't even know that we have money in our party account. Then she would call him and say, see, call us and tell us that, see, this is the amount we have in our party. You see, the money people are donating is meant for campaign, for presidential campaign. Then we call Leonard to come. Leonard did not even respond, he did not even come. So from that day, we knew that Leonard is a thief. So I'm telling the world now, they should know that his weekender is sponsoring Leonard and Ify and Co. I can tell you vividly. I'm telling you now to know that Leo is a thief, he's a fraudster. I know him personally, and he knew me. So I'm telling our people that, don't be scared. We are on the right course. AAC! Take it back! AAC! Take it back! Take it back! Action!
Thank you so much. You will also be listening to Solidarity message from Ogun State. Commander Falabi.
AAC!
Take it back.
AAC!
Take it back.
Take it back!
Action.
Showore is our man. Showore is our man. Showore is our man. Leona is a rope. Leona is a rope. Leona
Well, my name is Adeshina Falabi, the state chairman of Ogun State. Well, I don't have much to say. All I have to say is this about Leonard. Leonard is a thief. Leopard is a thief because all he knows is to buy people. That's what he knows most. Buying people. Hey, 10,000. Let's go to Abuja. So someone like that can never be a leader. Showore will never buy you. He never even tell you I want to give you money. Please, Showore, I support Showore. Ogun State generally, we want Showore. He's our leader, he's our chairman. Thank you.
AAC, take it back. Action. National Treasurer. National Treasurer. Yes, we want you to listen from the horse's mouth. Leonard Izewa had gone to the public to say that Omoyele Showore siphoned money that we raised from the public. Shortly, I want the National Treasurer to make some explanation. Shortly.
AAC, take it back. Action. Thank you very much for coming. I will make this brief as possible because I don't want this to get into preaching. My name is Pastor Sam Azing, the National Treasurer of AAC. I want to tell you that Leonard and his colleagues, they are nothing but a liar. Just as everybody has been saying here earlier, when we are registering this party, myself, Leonard and myself are the active people working on this party registration. But this guy has made sure that all this process is not easy for us. Even when we are meant to do it easy, he would try his possible best to get something out of this. And Leonard is not even working against, he's not working for this party, he's working against this party. I could remember when some money was sent to us to give to people who were sent down from various parts of the country to finance them, to give them accommodation. This guy looted this money and I was telling him that, why will you do this? And he was just telling me that, and he was fighting me in short. He was fighting me. And after this party came on board and we started the process all the way, there is nothing Leonard wants to do but to steal from this party. Right from the first day, this guy went to open an account in Abuja. I, as the National Treasurer, am around. The Constitution states that the National Treasurer and the National Chairman and the Deputy National Chairman and me should be the signatory to the account. This guy went ahead to open an account at our back, giving us funds all around. Open this bank account, and to sign out of this account, this guy is not willing to do so. Until we remove him on the account, we have the possession of the account, and I looked at what is the next thing we could do, so that because his major purpose is to look for money. He was looking for money. But I want to tell you that even any kind of court, they have given any judgment. We are here, we are saying that we are behind Omoyele Showore. And that is why I want to tell you that ever since Showore have been the party chairman and the time we started this party, Showore has not spent any dime from this party. He has not.
Now, they bring the situation back to me now again, that they wanted to pack those gutter and the canal. I said nothing concern community with it. If you like, pack it. If you don't like, pack it. So what I've been trying, you people that are here today, kò sígbà tá a ní kú, ìrẹ̀pẹ̀ ní àwọn ènìyàn, àwa dé máa padà di erùpẹ̀. Why are we fearing for death? Why are we fearing for sin? They took me to Kirikiri. When I get to Kirikiri, I don't know that Sheraton Hotel is at Kirikiri. I lodge at Sheraton Hotel inside Kirikiri. My community people pay 35,000 for my lodging. And I said that, and I told them, I said, yes, the struggle will continue. Immediately I come, the second day, they went to go and pack a bopo, pack all of them, and the ladder, they want to go out. I went to
we are just starting. Let me sing a very just song that I used to know. We just starting. We never begin. No, and you know it. We just starting. We never begin. No, and you know it. We just starting. We never begin. No, and you know it. We just starting. We never begin. No, and you know it. So if they thought, if the ruling class thinks that they've seen anything, they ain't seen nothing. There isn't what? They don't say nothing. Because as it stands now, it is audible to the deaf and visible to the blind that Nigerians, whether young or old, workers or unemployed, they are all angry against this system that has brought them in perpetual poverty. And together, with the collective effort of you and I, with the one-man mopo that we call a general. Some of us do not march behind a treacherous general, but we have seen a revolutionary general in the person of Omoyele Sowore, and with him, he is going to lead us onto the path of liberation down to destination of freedom. As Luther continua.
Thank you for being short. But I love the song that he gave. So, and you know me, I'm an Agege guy, you know. So I have to sing it in an Agege style, you know. Asheshe bere kile tiri. Oh sure. Thank you so much. As the national youth leader, Comrade Adelaja Gabriel, we call him Father. AAC, take it back, take it back, take it back, action, we are here in solidarity, and our message is very simple and clear. We do not have to go around with armored vehicles, with state machineries. We do not need to also go around with people that are bored and do not know why they are they are where they are at the time they are doing whatever it is they are doing. We know why we are here. And the only reason why we are here is that we want to take back our country. If not for anything at all, for the future of our unborn child. We want to have a country we can call our own. But then we know again that it will not go well with the ruling class. And so they want to do anything possible to malign our person, our struggle, and everything we have put in place to collect and take back from them what they have taken from our own grandfathers, our fathers, and they want to intend to also take back, from us. So we are not standing in solidarity to tell them clearly they should know. These are people who have a reason why they are out here to do what they want to do, which is to take back our country. They should not come closer to AAC. Whatever it is their plan is, it is dead on arrival. Dead on arrival. Leonard Izenwa, whatever he is, whatever he is enjoying is not with us. Of course, we already know and we've already identified the moles around us. Wherever they are, let them listen clearly to us. Do not come close to AAC
led by Omojele Sowore. That is where our loyalty lies. That is where we stand. And as I speak to you, on behalf of myself and all the youth of African Action Congress, I bring a message forward to the ruling elites, to the most around us, to also those who feel that they can only grow with having to be a betrayer. Listen and listen clearly. We will stand for what is rightly ours, and that is our Nigeria of our dream. We would not be deterred. We would not be discouraged. No matter what they bring to us, the Jankara judgment given by the court is on their own. Our party was not formed in the court, and so it will not be decided on whatever we want to do in the court. We formed our party on the struggles of me and you, on the street, under the sun and in the rain. And so they will not decide to us what will happen to the fate of our party. AAC is here to stand. AAC is here to take back our country from the Ajegudu Jeras and the politicians, those thieves, that they want to go and drain us dry and make us slaves to their own children too. We reject them totally. We reject them in any means possible. This is our party, and we declare our loyalty to the leadership of Omojele Stephen Sowore as our party national leader, chairman, and also Dr. Malcolm Fabi as the deputy national chairman of our great party. Do not be discouraged. Do not be discouraged. They will come after us. They will do everything they can do in their means possible to make us discouraged. But please, you need to hold firm. We are just starting, but be sure that victory is certain. Victoria Sata.
Aluta continua.
Aluta continua.
Victoria Sata.
Is Soweto.
We Africa.
Is Soweto.
We Africa.
Is Soweto.
We Africa.
Aluta continua.
Victoria Sata.
Thank you very much.
AAC will be entertaining questions from the press. Yes, we also have questions from our members here.
AAC, I greet my mommy and my daddy, my brother and my sister. When people don't understand what I'm saying, the people will escalate me to English. Okay, my mommy and baba mi, don't struggle to struggle. Hey, John, don't you know? Struggle to struggle, I'm a woman. This struggle. Now, woman get this struggle. I want to be like this struggle. I want to be like this struggle. Hey, John, don't you know? I won't be because of your family. I want to beg all the women. Hey, John, can be manner of approach to our husbands. Come on, the manner of approach. Follow up, understand you are not for a lie. That's the charge. But don't bring up any manner of approach for Quenule. To best of all, but when you go say, oh, to the people sorrow. To the people lie. Because nobody come on find anything. I'm a Perua. And you're going to come and tell you what I am a funny back on. What say you? Oh, I'm facing many of people in our community. The community won't face many people. Because me, they're going to the body bag. No, they're kidnapped. So why? Kí lẹ fẹ́ ní mo ṣe? Ṣó ti ẹyin? Wọn kò sí kankan. Wá jẹ, Valẹ́rù, òsìkú tó máa pàgbà. Náà ni wọ́n kọ́ lórí ẹ̀. Ẹ jọ́ tó rí ẹ̀rọ. Wọ́n fẹ́ mi lè kó ẹ̀ṣọ̀ kan. Torí nínú struggle yìí, wọ́n máa balance wọ́n máa ṣáàṣì wa o. Kò sí má bẹ̀rù ẹ dúró lórí ẹsẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ jọ́ tó mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín. Ṣé kí lorúkọ Shomore. Tabani issue in our community, in this of Nigeria, because we should Lagos State in I want just go Nigeria. Tabani any issue. So fair, she be any pekini. She about your girl, show my dad is what about your money. Because I know the president, but one of them become one. She want my jail, I be over support.
AAC lórí ìbéèrè ìtẹ́bèrè yẹn ó yẹ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé gidigba òun la dúró ẹ má wọ́rì ẹ̀yin ẹ má wọ́rì ẹ fi ẹlẹ́ fún wa.
A lè tún máa ń kọ́ nìkan lọ́dọ̀ wa. Kì í ṣe báwo ní ṣe. Kì í ṣe báwo ní ṣe. Ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ló fà sábàbí. Kì í ṣe báwo ní ṣe.
AAC, take it back. So we now entertain questions from members of the press. Questions?
Mr. Chairman, one is do you plan to appeal this judgment? Okay. The second one is, having seen the objective of the party, will you align with like-minded parties for a better Nigeria?
Okay. And the first one is that, do we plan to appeal this judgment? The appeal is on already. You get it? We are going to appeal the judgment. And then the second question is that, are we also going to have an alliance with like-minded parties? It is capital YES. We are going to be forming alliances not only with like-minded parties, but with like-minded groups. All groups that are standing with the masses, all groups that are standing for their rights, all groups that are standing for the revolution, to have another Nigeria, different from this one where we have 100 million poor people. All groups that are going to be saying yes to another society where you have the welfare of the people as the utmost concern of the government and of the leadership. We are going to be having that alliance. And that is why we are also a member of the Coalition for Revolution. The Coalition for Revolution is a coalition where we have parties, revolutionary parties. I can tell you that the National Conscience Party is part of that coalition. I can also tell you that a section of the Labour Party is part of that coalition. You get it? And then AAC, take it back. Take it back. Action. Press questions. Press. Please.
Press.
Please, shortly, you can ask them.
Press. So, go.
I want to sing.
AAC.
Take it back.
AAC.
Take it back.
Okay.
The press.
You mentioned, I wanted to ask about whether you appeal. And you mentioned already.
Okay. We are going to appeal.
AAC.
Take it back.
Take it back.
Action.
Action.
No going back.
Action.
No going back.
No going back. Idowu Ajíṣọlá is my name. I want you to sing this music with me. Orin Yorùbá ni o. Àwọn ẹni yìí ni wá lára bàbá. Ìwọ lára o. APC ni wá lára bàbá. Ìwọ lára o. PDP ni wá lára bàbá. Ìwọ lára o. APC ni wá lára bàbá. Ìwọ lára o. Àwọn arábí ni wá lára bàbá. Ìwọ lára o. APC lẹgbẹ́ táwa máa ṣe. Oṣù Ọlọ́run o. Èkó disco ni wá lára bàbá. Ìwọ lára o. Disco ni wá lára bàbá. Ìwọ lára o. Ọ̀tá corporation ni wá lára bàbá. Ìwọ lára o. Owó ni wá lára bàbá. Ìwọ lára o. Ìyà yìí tó. Ìyà yìí tó. Ìyà yìí tó. Ìyà yìí tó. Ìyà yìí tó Jésù kò bá wa lára mu. My name is Idowu My My woman leader has already asked the question that I want to ask. And in our community, I want this party to give us support. Onto Eco-Disco, AAC, that is my question.
Okay, we are going to be rounding up now. We are not going to be entertaining questions anymore. But on the final note, we want to tell all our members that after this press conference, we will discuss after the press conference. So now we'll have to stand up for our solidarity anthem. Solidarity anthem.